नमस्ते खरसाङ।
जय हर्ष हर्ष 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 जय।
दादा इनको ऑर्डर है फोटो वीडियो कोई
Inaugurate the Scouts of established at the Bharat Scouts and Guides National Adventure Institute, Karshiang, Darjeeling. खुशी में Let's go. Let's go. The Scout Club is being inaugurated by Chief Commissioner Scout Dr. H.P. Chetri in the presence of State Chief Commissioner of the Bharat Scouts and Guides, Shri Devadatta Chakrabarti, and the State Commissioner Scout, Shri Samal Kumar Biswaji.
कॉमन सेल में अवेलेबल है। ये बुक्स का लिस्ट बना हुआ है। ये सारी बुक्स हमारे पास आइए सर। ये कीरिंग
ये होगल्स है ना?
हाँ है हमारे पास इक्विपमेंट।
हम दिखाएंगे ये होगल्स वो इसी का
अच्छा हाँ
अच्छा होगल्स ये सब चाहिए।
The National Adventure Institute of the Bharat Scouts and Guides, by laying the foundation stone virtually and on behalf of Dr. K.K. Khandelwal sir, Dr. H.P. Chetri, Chief Commissioner Scout, will open the screen of the foundation stone. I request our Honorable Chief National Commissioner sir, Dr. K.K. Khandelwal sir. Foundation Stone, National Adventure Institute, joint venture between the Bharat Scouts and Guides, National Headquarters, and the Bharat Scouts and Guides West Bengal State Association. Snow View, campsite Karshiang, Darjeeling, led virtually by Dr. K.K. Khandelwal, IAS retired, Chief National Commissioner of the Bharat Scouts and Guides, on 6/4/2021, in the presence of Shri Devadatta Chakrabarti, IAS retired, State Chief Commissioner, Bharat Scouts and Guides West Bengal, which is physically led by Dr. H.P. Chetri, Chief Commissioner Scout of the Bharat Scouts and Guides. Let us give a big hand. Let's go. Today, the Bharat Scouts and Guides has created a history in the chapter of the organization by launching National Adventure Institute at Karshiang, Darjeeling.
स्काउट गाइड प्रेयर शुरू। दया कर दान भक्ति का हमें परमात्मा देना, दया करना हमारी आत्मा में शुद्धता देना, हमारे ध्यान में आओ प्रभु, आँखों में बस जाओ, अंधेरे दिल में आकर के परम ज्योति जगा देना, बहा दो प्रेम की गंगा, दिलों में प्रेम का सागर हमें आप मिलजुल कर प्रभु रहना सिखा देना। हमारा कर्म हो सेवा, हमारा धर्म हो सेवा, सदा ईमान हो सेवा, व सेवक चर बना देना। वतन के वास्ते जीना, वतन के वास्ते मरना, वतन पर जा फिदा करना, प्रभु हमको सिखा देना। दया कर दान भक्ति का हमें परमात्मा देना। दया करना हमारी आत्मा में शुद्धता देना।
Most Honorable Dr. K.K. Khandelwal sir, Honorable Chief National Commissioner, Bharat Scouts and Guides. We have Shri M.A. Khalid, Honorable Additional Chief National Commissioner of the Bharat Scouts and Guides, who are virtually present to witness the historic inauguration of this Adventure Institute at Kharsiam, Darjeeling. We have our Honorable Dr. H.P. Chetri, Chief Commissioner Scout of the Bharat Scouts and Guides, who is physically present at Kharsiam, Darjeeling. Shri Devadatta Chakravarti, Honorable State Chief Commissioner, Bharat Scouts and Guides, West Bengal, who is physically present here. Madam Emily Asher, International Commissioner Guide of the Bharat Scouts and Guides, who is virtually present. Group Captain J. Kishan ji, Principal Himalaya Mountaineering Institute, Darjeeling, who is virtually present to witness the inaugural ceremony. Shri Samal Kumar Vishwasi, State Commissioner Scout of Bharat Scouts and Guides, West Bengal, and National Commissioner of Scout Adult Resources. Madam Sikha Banerjee, State Commissioner Guide, West Bengal State Bharat Scouts and Guides, and National Commissioner Ranges. Shri Rajkumar Kaushik ji, the Director Bharat Scouts and Guides, National Association, who is virtually present to witness the inaugural ceremony. Madam Usha Kiran Tamang ji, the President of Kharsiam Bharat Scouts and Guides Local Association. Shri Rajendra Prasad Agarwal ji, the Secretary of Darjeeling Bharat Scouts and Guides District Association. Shri Jogendra Prasad ji, the State Commissioner Corps of Bharat Scouts and Guides, West Bengal State Association. Shri Rabin Pradhan ji, the Chairman of Kharsiam Local Association of the Bharat Scouts and Guides. Shri P.C. Agarwal ji, the former Chairman of Kharsiam Municipality. Madam Surekha Srivastava ji, the Deputy Director of Guide and the leader of this program. All the honorable office bearers of the Bharat Scouts and Guides virtually present to witness the historic day of the Bharat Scouts and Guides. Madam Meena Bhutia ji, the State Commissioner Guide of Bharat Scouts and Guides Sikkim State Association, who is physically present to witness the inaugural ceremony. Mr. Prakash Kaji Saikia, the State Secretary of Sikkim State Bharat Scouts and Guides. Madam Adhikari, the State Organizing Commissioner Guide, Sikkim State Bharat Scouts and Guides. Mr. Sapkota, the State Organizing Commissioner Scout, Sikkim State Bharat Scouts and Guides. All the senior trainers of Kharsiam District Local Association of the Bharat Scouts and Guides. On behalf of Dr. K.K. Khandelwal, Honorable Chief National Commissioner, on behalf of the Director Bharat Scouts and Guides, on behalf of the National Headquarters of the Bharat Scouts and Guides, and on behalf of the West Bengal State Bharat Scouts and Guides, I take this privilege to welcome all the honorable guests inaugural ceremony of the National Adventure Institute of the Bharat Scouts and Guides. Today, the dream of our Honorable Chief National Commissioner came true. Our Honorable Chief National Commissioner was physically present and visited Snowview campsite on 29 January 2020 before this pandemic. And he has taken the decision that the National Adventure Institute of the Bharat Scouts and Guides will be established at Darjeeling, and today
Himalayan mountains वो तो virtually visible.
we are witnessing the inauguration of the National Adventure Institute of the Bharat Scouts and Guides. So let us give a big hand to our Honorable Chief National Commissioner for his vision becoming true. Let's go! The Bharat Scouts and Guides has promoted the National Adventure Institute in the joint venture with the Bharat Scouts and Guides West Bengal State Association. The Bharat Scouts and Guides is supported by the Himalayan Mountaineering Institute, Darjeeling. We are very grateful to Group Captain Jai Kishan Ji, the Principal of Himalayan Mountaineering Institute, for providing all the support and assistance to the Bharat Scouts and Guides in setting up the National Adventure Institute. So we would like to welcome the Principal of Himalayan Mountaineering Institute virtually. We welcome you, sir. We welcome our Chief Commissioner Scout. Despite his busy schedule, he has traveled long way from Gangtok to Kharsiang. On behalf of all the participants, we welcome you, sir. Let us give a big clap to our Chief Commissioner Scout. Let's go! With this, I would like to invite the Darjeeling District Association, the Kharsiang Local Association, to welcome the Honorable guest in their traditional way. I would like to invite the President of Kharsiang Local Association and the Secretary of the Association to welcome the Honorable guest by presenting a bouquet and khada. Of Darjeeling District Association. Clubs go! The Darjeeling District Association and Kharsiang Local Association of the Bharat Scouts and Guides are welcoming the Honorable guest in a traditional way by presenting flower bouquet and khada to the Honorable guests who are present virtually. They also welcome all the Honorable office bearers who are virtually present. Once again, I take this privilege to welcome one and all, and I'm sure this venture of the Bharat Scouts and Guides will definitely promote adventure, and our theme of this program is Adventure with Scouting. Once again, I take this privilege to welcome one and all. Jai Hind, Jai Scouting.
Let's go! सब मिलकर जश्न चरागे रोशन करेंगे हम, जश्न चरागे रोशन करेंगे हम। इस रोशनी से, इस वातावरण में पवित्रता का प्रभाव जो अभाव है वो दूर होगा और इसकी रोशनी से पूरा प्रभाव होगा। सभी लोग लगातार क्लैप करेंगे। स्काउट गाइड क्लैप्स गो। धन्यवाद।
से एक पार्टिसिपेंट आए हैं। एनएफ रेलवे से 9+9 रेंजर गाइड सेक्शन 9 स्काउट सेक्शन से। वेस्ट बंगाल से 16 पार्टिसिपेंट आए हैं और राजस्थान से टोटल 16 पार्टिसिपेंट आए हैं। इस तरह से हमारे पास टोटल 55 पार्टिसिपेंट आए हैं। इस प्रोग्राम में इस प्रोग्राम में 55 पार्टिसिपेंट ने भाग लिया है और कल से ही हमारा ट्रैकिंग का प्रोग्राम शुरू हो गया है। कल का पहला दिन था, सुबह से ब्रेकफास्ट करके और रजिस्ट्रेशन और जो हमारी परंपरा के अनुसार जो कार्यक्रम है वो कंप्लीट करते हुए सभी लोगों ने अपना एक पहला ट्रैकिंग कल शुरू किया। आज ऑफिशियल हमारा इस कैंप का उद्घाटन किया गया और आज से ही लंच के बाद से उनका अगला पड़ाव चालू होगा। हम सभी पार्टिसिपेंट और आप वेस्ट बंगाल के ऑफिसर्स के आभारी हैं कि उन्होंने हमें हिमालय इंस्टीट्यूट के साथ जोड़कर इस प्रोग्राम में आने का एक मौका दिया। कल से जो ट्रैकिंग का प्रोग्राम होगा 7 तारीख का, वो हिमालयन इंस्टीट्यूट में ही जाकर के आपका ट्रैकिंग होगा। वहाँ के जो हमारे पास बहुत सारे ऐसे ऑब्स्टिकल हैं जहाँ ये बच्चे दिन भर इंजॉय करेंगे और उन सबका लाभ उठाएंगे। हर एक दिन का प्रोग्राम, पूरे दिन का ट्रैकिंग का प्रोग्राम है जो सभी बड़ी तल्लीनता के साथ, शालीनता के साथ, डिसिप्लिन के साथ अपने इस प्रोग्राम को पूरा कर रहे हैं। आप सभी को बहुत बहुत बधाई। आशा है आप सब स्वस्थ रहेंगे और अपने प्रोग्राम को पूरा करके सफल होकर इधर से प्रस्थान करेंगे। आप सभी के समक्ष उन बातों को रखने के लिए आ रहे हैं। मैं आमंत्रित करना चाहूंगी ओपनिंग रिमार्क्स के लिए श्री एस.के. विश्वास, स्टेट कमिश्नर भारत स्काउट एंड गाइड वेस्ट बंगाल, नेशनल कमिश्नर ऑफ स्काउट्स एंड एसोसिएशन भारत स्काउट एंड गाइड्स, एस.के. विश्वास सर।
Respected Pratap Da, one of the veteran scout leader of Karshiang, young man of 84 years. Mr. H.P. Chetri Sahab, Sikkim Scout movement का one of the pillar, Chief Commissioner Scouts, Bharat Scouts and Guides, Devaditya Chakraborty, State Chief Commissioner, West Bengal Bharat Scouts and Guides, Dr. Shikha Banerjee, the Scouters, Guiders and Veterans leader of Karshiang, Darjeeling District Association, the country leader of different states, and the staff members and our supporting staff of this Adventure Institute. This is an historical movement in Bharat Scouts and Guides. Year before last, in one program, our Chief National Commissioner visited Sikkim in one national integration camp, and on the way back, he visited the Snowview campsite. On that visit, discussion between Mr. Khandelwal, myself, director and other few scout leader of the states. Mr. Khandelwal decides the Karshiang, this campsite must be made such a way, the international event other than our Scouts Guides events of our country, international event we want to organize here, and we jointly work for that to develop this campsite. From that, there is one understanding between Bharat Scouts and Guides and Bharat Scouts and Guides to West Bengal. The second National Adventure Institute permanently established in this Karshiang campsite. At the same time, one permanent national headquarter office also established here. On that meeting, it was also decided Since April 2020, we start our first adventure course here. But due to the pandemic situation of our country, last 1 year we are not able to do anything. Nobody even came out from the home for their day-to-day work also. But ultimately, after 1 year, we are able to start this campsite. There is so many problem, as because this is on a school building. This is school building vacated during 2012 and 13 in between, and they shifted from here to Shiliguri. After that, we are searching different organization to hand over this building to maintain and use, but this should be any educational activities. We are not able to do that. After our dream came true, after Mr. Chief National Commissioner visit, he expressed his desire, and we are also agree with that. The joint venture of the Bharat Scouts and Guides and Bharat Scouts and Guides to West Bengal, the National Adventure Institute is established here, and the participants, you are very much lucky enough. You are the first batch of this National Adventure Institute. National Tour also decided, beside the National Adventure Institute activities, throughout the year, they organize different type of scout guide activities for scout guides, as well as adult leaders training and development, and other youth activities.
In the sense that we have always been trying to do something very positive and to put to use this facility here at at the campsite, at Snowview campsite, and the other infrastructure we have here. And after about a year-long effort, we have been able to put it into practice, and now today we have the program really on its feet. We have a long way to go, but we have short time, and we have to do things pretty quickly and in an adequate manner. From the state side, we will certainly take care of the infrastructure requirements, the local situations here, and dealing with the local issues and all, and we expect the national headquarters to really chip in with more and sustain programs. For the month of April and May, we have already lined up 8 programs, and today is the first. We are aware that the challenging situation we are going through, we are facing, has put a little bit of damper on the initiatives and the enthusiasm of the participants. We are expecting a batch of 120, and we have 55 here, but I'm sure in the days to come it will pick up. I again thank everybody for coming here, for encouraging us, and particularly the participants who will be the brand ambassadors of this institute, which has to come up at par with the facilities elsewhere, and really a focus on the resources that we have here. This eastern part of the Himalayas, Darjeeling, adjoining Sikkim, Nepal and Bhutan, they also have a very unique facilities and unique things to offer, and we must focus on them and see that we are able to bring together everybody, bring on a common platform, and create a true spirit of adventure in them, inculcate in them this spirit, and inspire them to be on their own feet, to build confidence in themselves. Thank you again and for being with us here, and I expect and I look forward to a very great deal of programs, great number of programs, and great enthusiasm. Thank you.
इतिहासों की रंग भूमि है कर्म भूमि बलिदान की। इतिहासों की रंग भूमि है कर्म भूमि बलिदान की। लोक कलाओं का संगम है, लोक कलाओं का संगम है। आभर्ती राजस्थान भी, आभर्ती राजस्थान भी। जय जय राजस्थान।
रामरतन जी, हाँ जी, आपको मारवाड़ बहुत फेमस है। खासियत कई है आपके मारवाड़ में। यो जी बतावा जी, मारवाड़ को काम ठाडो, मारवाड़ को गानू ठाडो, मारवाड़ को खानू ठाडो, मारवाड़ के संता को अखाड़ो ठाडो, और मारवाड़ के धोरा में चल रहे ऊंट गाडो।
दोनों पर हाथ करेंगे, क्लैप फॉर
Dr. Khandelwal, National Chief Commissioner, was supposed to grace the occasion today, but due to his bad health, he could not come. I am requested by him to substitute him. So whatever I am doing, it is for and on behalf of Dr. Khandelwal. Dignitaries present, Mr. Divaditya Chakravarti, SCC West Bengal, Group Captain Jai Kishan, Principal HMI, Shambal Biswas, SC Scout West Bengal, Dr. Sikha Banerjee, SC Guide West Bengal, Amar Chetri, Joint Director, National Headquarters, Usha Kiran Tamang, President, Korseng Local Association, Rajendra Prasad Agrawal, Secretary, Darjeeling District Association, Jogendra Prasad, State Commissioner, Corps West Bengal, Rabin Pradhan, Chairman, Korseng Local Association, PC Agrawal, former Chairman, Korseng Municipal Corporation, Chandra Das, Curator, HMI, and Surekha Srivastava, Deputy Director, and my friends from different states and the office bearer of Bharat Scout and Guides West Bengal. My heartiest greetings to all of you. I am informed that Bharat Scouts and Guides, in a joint venture with Bharat Scouts and Guides West Bengal, has entered into an agreement, a lease deed of 20 years, to use this campus, Snowview campus, as Adventure Institute for 20 years, to promote the local youth and to promote the youth coming from the other states in the adventure activities. In this regard, I offer my heartfelt gratitude to and special thanks to Divyajyoti Chakravarti, SCC West Bengal, and his all members of State Council for giving us so much support, enormous support to have this center here. So we are very grateful to you, sir. In this regard, I have little experience about the campus which is being created here, was being discussed since last not less than 10 years in NSQ, National Headquarters, Delhi. I am continuously attached with NSQ since last so many years. But it was never materialized. But this year, the credit goes to Khandelwal and credit goes to Mr. Chakravarti, SCC West Bengal, to have this done. So my special thanks to them for creating a center over here. And Mountaineering Institute, Himalayan Mountaineering Institute principal, Group Captain Jai Kishan, has also entered into an agreement to entertain the youth coming from the Scouts and Guides fraternity in adventure activities. So we are also really grateful to you, sir, and thank you very much for giving the opportunity to the youth to be guided by you. One thing I wanted to inform you, Sikkim also nonetheless regarding tracking and entertaining the adventure of the youth. And so much so, J.T. Hooker, the world famous botanist, has traveled Sikkim extensively. Should we not explore the tracks used by him to travel in Sikkim? If any help is required, and if any assistance is required to support this, we are there from Sikkim State. I offer the support to you, and you can tie up with Sikkim government. For kindly give me the book. For your convenient and ready reference, I brought a booklet yesterday, downloaded and print out. I brought a booklet where about trekking in Sikkim is given in details. This center can tie up with Sikkim, tourism Sikkim, and develop it for the benefit of the youth. So this is I am handing over to Srivastav. This Snowview campus is being inaugurated today. This is the second one. There is already one adventure center in Pasmadi, Madhya Pradesh, which is registered, which is inaugurated, I remember, somewhere 1992. Until now, that center has entertained more than 1 lakh youths from different corners, including foreign participants. But when this center will be developed in connection with Sikkim, it will be nonetheless. It can compete with the first center in Pasmadi and can attract many foreigners over here from different countries. Only problem with Sikkim is the capital of Sikkim is only 57 kilometers away from the Chinese border. So whoever enters there has to take the special permits, not only from state government, also from the central government. That is only the problem. That takes time. Otherwise, this center can be very much attractive if connected with the Sikkim state. Now I have nothing much to tell. My duty is to remind the deadly COVID is still existing in and around us. So we should be careful. We are supposed to protect ourselves, to give protection to others. So we are to maintain the safe distance, regular hand wash, and wearing masks. I have nothing much to do. Thank you very much.
Claps go. Scout Guide, claps go. Scout Guide, claps go. Claps go.
Kernel, Karnataka is
बैटरी खत्म हो गया होगा, वहाँ नहीं है।
दूसरा भी तो नहीं है ना।
दूसरा बार कहाँ से?
सर ये हाथ पकड़ेंगे और एक जोरदार जोगेंद्र प्रसाद जी के लिए लेट्स गो। थैंक यू सो मच सर।
वेस्ट बंगाल की वे वोट ऑफ थैंक्स दें। मैं आमंत्रित करना चाहूँगी श्री जोगेंद्र प्रसाद सर को।
Thanks to Almighty God, He has given me such a louder voice. I have got a very long list for thanking many people because it was a brainchild. I do not have any hesitation to say that we were very much desperate to utilize this particular area and this particular building for any productive activities, and we were not able to find some suitable things. When Dr. Khandelwal visited this place, it was Mr. Amar Chhetri who initiated this thing that we can have Adventure Institute here, and this place is really suitable and we can accommodate many people here from all over India, and this place is suitable for those people who are coming not only from here but from abroad also. And they are planning this thing to do something in the month of February. It was 29th January 2000 when we had this dream to start Adventure Institute here in Snowview campsite. But unfortunately, because of COVID, we could not do it last year in 2000. So this is almost 1 year we have to wait because of the COVID. I address Mr. Devaditya Chakravarti, IS retired, our State Chief Commissioner, Mr. H.P. Chhetri, our Chief Guest for today's Chief Guest, Mr. and National Chief Commissioner of Scout, Mr. Syamal Kumar Biswas, State Commissioner Scout and National Commissioner for Adult Resources, Dr. Sika Banerjee, National State Commissioner Guide and National Commissioner Headquarter, National Commissioner for Ranges, Srimati Kumkum Majumdar, State Training Commissioner, West Bengal, Mr. Amar Chhetri, Joint Director, National Headquarters, Mrs. Usha Kiran Tamang, President, Karchang Local Association, Mr. Robin Kumar Pradhan, Chairman, Karchang Local Association, Mr. Rajendra Prasad, Secretary, Darjeeling District Association, my teacher, my sir, the person who created me and for whose creation is standing in front of you, Mr. P.C. Agrawal, who is my friend, philosopher and guide in every field of my life. Mr. P.C. Agrawal, Miss Srimati Surekha Srivastav, Mr. Srimati Bilkis Sheikh, and Mr. Vivek Kumar Das. They are all three from National Headquarters. They will be permanently staying here. On behalf of my state, West Bengal, on behalf of the State Chief Commissioner and on my personal behalf, I thank National Headquarters for choosing this place, selecting this place for the Adventure Institute, where many people, not only from India, from neighboring countries, they will be visiting. So we are really grateful and thankful to National Headquarters, especially Mr. Amar Chhetri, who has taken the trouble to prepare many things regarding this institution. I am thankful to my own state headquarters, who has taken the pain for doing everything possible, because this building was locked down for nearly 10 years. And we can easily understand, if a property is locked for 10 years, nothing remains there which can be used. So my headquarters has taken the pain. and they have expended lot of money to make it habitable. Today you are seeing it is the hard work of my state headquarters. I am really thankful and grateful to the people coming all the way from Sikkim to witness this program. And I am thankful to Mr. Chetri, who has taken the trouble to bring all these people from Sikkim. And we accept your proposal, sir, that we will definitely collaborate with you for another type of hikes, which can be monitored from this institute, and we will definitely like to visit some of the trekking places in Sikkim also. I am thankful to my own teacher, Mr. P.C. Agrawal, at this age also, who is physically and mentally so fit that many of us may not be fit at his age, but he has taken the pain and trouble to come and witness this program. I am thankful to Mr. G.B. Paul and Mr. T.T. Lama, headmistress and headmaster of Adarsh School. I am thankful to Mrs. Olokade, who, in spite of her illness, she has taken the trouble to come here. I am thankful to all the heads of the institution who has come and attended this program, and they were kind enough to send their teachers, scouters and guiders for this program. I am thankful to Kursiang Local Association for doing this honor. They have taken the trouble to honor all the people from different states and from national headquarters. This is really appreciable. I will be not doing justice if I do not mention one name, that is Rajendra Prasad Agrawal, who is District Secretary of Darjeeling District Association. He, out of his way, in many a times, he has helped this institution in many ways, physically, by means of finance, by means of providing transport, or procuring many things from Siliguri on a very short notice. To my sincere thanks to Mr. Rajendra Prasad Agrawal. We all are grateful and thankful to All India Radio. They have kindly accepted our invitation and come all the way to cover this program. And we are thankful to all the press and media who have covered this program. We are thankful to Namaste channel of Kursiang, who are just recording all this entire program. My sincere thanks to the states, Rajasthan, NF Railway, Eastern Railway, and West Bengal. 55 candidates. We were expecting 120 candidates, but because of Corona, some of the states are under lockdown, so they could not come. So at least 55 people, they came from these different states. We are thankful and grateful to their State Chief Commissioner for sending these participants in this onto us in this type of situation also. They have sent their children to participate in this camp. And children, I must say that you people are your names are going to be written in the history, because you are the first batch of this Adventure Institute, which is being opened today here in Kursiang. I shall be failing in my duty if I do not mention one name, that is Group Captain Mr. Jain, who has not only taken the trouble to accommodate our children in their activities, but they have come out of their way for many things. They have assured us that whenever our children will be there will be no entry, and they will be charging nominal charges for all the activities. So we are really thankful and grateful to the principal, to the curator of HMI. Last but not the least, my other staff who are working round the clock, because once again I will repeat, this property was locked down for 10 years. and nothing was working properly. Not even a window you can open it because of rust and many other things. Those people has to work day and night because we have got very short period notice to make it habitable. So those people, Sanu, Vivek, other people who are working in kitchen, they are also, and my sincere thanks to them. And last but not least, my thanks to Almighty God that at least we were able to hold this institution workable today here in Kurseong.
और ये हम जहाँ पर बैठे हुए उसके बारे में जानकर आप आश्चर्यचकित होंगे, लेकिन आप यहाँ पर कैंप कर रहे ये सच है। और अंत में आप सभी अपने स्थान पर खड़े होंगे। जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता, पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल बंगा, विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उज्जल जलधि तरंगा, तब शुभ नामे जागे तब शुभ आशीष मांगे, गाए तब जय गाथा, जनगण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता, जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे। प्रोग्राम विश्राम।
अहिलेको समाजमा हामीले युथहरूप्रति गार्जियनहरूले अभिभावकहरूले युथहरूप्रति एटेन्सन दिए अति उत्तम। कारण प्यारेन्ट्सको समाजको एटेन्सन नपाउँदा, उहाँहरूले चाहिँदो सपोर्ट समयमा नपाउँदा युथहरू भड्किन्छन् अनि उनले आफ्ना बाटोहरू भुल्छन्। हामीहरूले समाजमा देखिरहेका छौँ, धेरै नराम्रो कुरोहरू अपनाउँछन्। यो सबै कुरोको असुविधा समाजमा जुन छ, यो सबै कुरोको समाधान गर्नुको निम्ति युथहरूलाई इन्टरटेन गर्ने उद्देश्यले हामीले एउटा एडभेन्चर सेन्टर यहाँ खोल्न चाहेको हौँ। अनि वेस्ट बेङ्गाल गभर्मेन्टले पनि आफ्नो सहमति दियो र आजदेखि नम्बर 2 एडभेन्चर सेन्टर इन्डियामा खोलियो। यो सेन्टर खोल्नुको निम्ति नेसनल हेडक्वार्टरमा 10 वर्षभन्दा पहिलेदेखि सालिने बहस हुन्थ्यो, तर मेटेरियलाइज भएको थिएन। यसपल्ट डाक्टर के खण्डेलवाल सिक्किममा इन्टिग्रेसन क्याम्प सकेर यता आउनु भएको थियो। उहाँले अमर छेत्री जो मेरो सामनेमा उभिरहनु भएको छ, नेसनल हेडक्वार्टर डिप्युटी डाइरेक्टर हुनुहुन्थ्यो त्यति बेला। उहाँको प्रपोजलमा, उहाँको जोड गराइमा डाक्टर खण्डेलवालले चिफ नेसनल कमिसनरले हुन्छ नि त एउटा सेन्टर खोलौँ भनेर वेस्ट बेङ्गालसँग नेगोसिएट गर्यो। वेस्ट बेङ्गालसँग नेगोसिएट गरेर एउटा लिज डिड तयारी पारियो। कति खर्च लाग्ने, के गर्ने, कसले बियर गर्ने, उठेको पैसा कसरी सेयर गर्ने, कसरी चलाउने, यो सम्बन्धी एउटा एग्रिमेन्ट ड्र भएको छ। त्यो आज लन्च भयो, यो आज ओपनिङ भयो। छिट्टै नै 8 तारिक से कितना तारिक से 5 से 9 तारिक यहाँ एउटा प्रोग्राम हुँदैछ छिट्टै नै। अनि यो सेन्टर चाहिँ मेरो एक्सपिरियन्स र मेरो विचारमा अत्यन्तै इम्पोर्टेन्ट हुन जान्छ इन्डियाकै लागि। किनभने यसको छेउमा सिक्किम, भुटान र नेपाल छ। हिल्ली कन्ट्री जहाँ चाहिँ ट्र्याकिङ गर्नु अथवा युथहरूको लागि विभिन्न एक्टिभिटिज गर्नु अत्यन्तै राम्रो छ। यहाँ धेरै खालको एक्टिभिटिज गर्न सकिन्छ। माउन्टेनियरिङ छ, ट्र्याकिङ छ, अनि हाइकिङ छ, इत्यादि इत्यादि न्युमरस प्रोग्राम्स फर द युथ क्यान बी डन। त्यसकारण यो सेन्टर चाहिँ वेस्ट बेङ्गालले पनि इच्छा गरेका छन्। उहाँले मसँग भन्नुभयो, मैले पनि प्रपोजल दिएको थिएँ सिक्किमबाट तपाईँहरूलाई सपोर्ट चाहनुहुन्छ नि भनेर। र यो सेन्टर चाहिँ सायद very soon it will be very famous, very prominent, and it may attract attention from the world, not only from surrounding state, Bangladesh, Bhutan, or Myanmar or Nepal, but it may attract from outside. Because tourisms, they are attracting many people in the youth activities, but they don't tell youth activities. They say it is tourism activities. But they do youth activities. So they are attracting many people, many very big group of trackers, foreigners, they are coming. They are visiting Sikkim, they are doing tracking in Sikkim and going back. That is handled by the businessman. Now this center can handle this slowly on subsidized rate. They can handle. And it is, since it is supported by the government, since it is done by the selfless workers, the members of Scouts and Guides, यो साँच्चै सक्सेसफुल हुन्छ भने जस्तो मलाई लाग्छ र यो सेन्टर आजदेखि नै चल्यो, यो चल्ने छ अनि धेरै छिटै नै एउटा के यसको उन्नति हामी रिजल्ट हामी पाउने छौँ। मैले भनेको कुरामा हाम्रो अमर छेत्री जोइन्ट डाइरेक्टर हुनुहुन्छ नेसनल हेडक्वार्टरबाट आउनुभएको, उहाँले पनि अलिक थपिदिनुहोस् तपाईँहरूको विचारहरू के छ भनेर म अनुरोध गर्दछु।
थैंक यू सर। हामी भारत स्काउट्स एंड गाइड्स राष्ट्रीय मुख्यालय र भारत स्काउट्स एंड गाइड्स वेस्ट बंगाल दुई एसोसिएसन मिलेर राष्ट्रिय साहसिक संस्थानको आज शुभारम्भ यहाँ खर्सियाङमा गऱ्यौँ। हामीले भारत स्काउट्स एंड गाइड्सले युवा शक्तिलाई प्रमोट गर्ने विचारले यहाँ राष्ट्रिय साहसिक संस्थानको आयोजन भयो। यहाँ सबै स्टेटबाट त हाम्रा स्काउट गाइड्सहरू आउँछ नै, हामी अपेक्षा गर्दछौँ कि बाहिर देशबाट नेपाल, भुटान, बङ्गलादेश अरू नेबरिङ कन्ट्री छोडेर बाहिरबाट पनि यहाँ आउँछन् र यो पर्वतारोहण छ, इन्भाइरोन्मेन्ट छ, यसको एजुकेसन प्राप्त गर्छन्। यस एडभेन्चर इन्स्टिट्युटले भारत स्काउट्स एन्ड गाइड्सको जो ग्रोथको हाम्रो जो एउटा मिसन छ, हाम्रो मेम्बर्स हामीले बढाउन चाहन्छौँ र आज हर्षको विषय हो कि खरसाङमा दार्जिलिङ जिल्लामा भारत स्काउट एन्ड गाइड्सले आफ्नो राष्ट्रिय साहसिक संस्थानको आयोजन गर्यो। धन्यवाद।
नमस्कार। भारत स्काउट गाइड नेशनल हेडक्वार्टर की तरफ से, राष्ट्रीय मुख्यालय की तरफ से एक नया हमने इधर सेंटर डेवलप किया है, जिसमें पूरे इंडिया से ही नहीं दूसरे देशों के लोग भी हमेशा टाइम पर आते रहेंगे। अभी भी हमने 5 कंट्री को इनवाइट किया था, जैसे भूटान, नेपाल, बांग्लादेश, इंडिया और थाईलैंड से, ऐसे 5 कंट्री से लोगों को इधर आना था, लेकिन कोविड के कारण से केवल इंडिया से ही पार्टिसिपेट कर पाए और वो भी बहुत कम नंबर में। हमारा इस प्रोग्राम का 200 नंबर हमने पहले बुलाया था। ये साहसिक एडवेंचर इंस्टीट्यूट बहुत बड़ा नाम कमा रहा है और हम बहुत आभारी हैं कि खरसियां डिस्ट्रिक्ट में ये प्रोग्राम शुरू करने हुआ है। आज 5 तारीख से शुरू ये प्रोग्राम 9 तारीख तक चलेगा। इसमें बहुत प्रकार की साहसिक गतिविधियां करने जा रहे हैं और बच्चों में एक आत्मविश्वास पैदा होता है। जो रेंजर्स, जो 18 से 25 साल के एज ग्रुप की लड़कियां हैं उनको रेंजर कहते हैं, 18 से 25 साल के जो लड़के हैं उनको रोवर कहते हैं। ये हमारे पास इधर 5 राज्यों से सभी बच्चे आए हैं, जैसे राजस्थान है, ईस्टर्न रेलवे है, एनएफ रेलवे, वेस्ट बंगाल और यहाँ का लोकल बच्चे। तो इस तरह से ये हमारे पास बच्चे आए हैं और ये 5 दिन यहाँ रहेंगे, कैंप साइड में ही रहेंगे और अपनी साहसिक गतिविधियों के लिए बाहर जा कर के अपनी साहसिक गतिविधि करके वापस आएंगे। हमने एक हिमालय इंस्टीट्यूट के साथ में MOU किया है। बच्चे ज़्यादातर वहाँ जा कर के उनकी उस एडवेंचर इंस्टीट्यूट में जाके पार्ट लेंगे। इस परिसर में जहाँ पर हमने ये प्रोग्राम करने जा रहे हैं, इसमें अभी फन बेस बहुत टाइप के हम फन बेस बना रहे हैं, जैसे राइफल शूटिंग है, तीर कमानी है, हाई जंप, लॉन्ग जंप, बास्केटबॉल और ऐसे टायर से निकलना, बहुत सारी गतिविधियां हैं जो इधर में भी होने वाली है। तो आज हमारा दूसरा दिन है, 9 तारीख को ये प्रोग्राम ख़त्म हो जाएगा। इसके बाद अगला प्रोग्राम भी 12 तारीख से शुरू होने वाला है, 12 से लेके 16 तक। और इस अप्रैल में 3 प्रोग्राम होने वाले हैं। मेरा कुर्सियन के सभी मेंबर से मेरा निवेदन है, आप सादर आमंत्रित हैं। हर एक प्रोग्राम में बहुत सारे स्टेट के लोग भाग लेने वाले हैं। हर रोज़ शाम के समय में ये कैंपफायर के रूप में एक रंगारंग प्रोग्राम होता है। आप सभी लोग सादर आमंत्रित हैं इस प्रोग्राम को देखने के लिए। स्नो व्यू में ये हमारा ट्रेनिंग सेंटर है, आप सबका हार्दिक स्वागत है और आपको जब भी टाइम मिले आप इस प्रोग्राम में शरीक कीजिए। और इस प्रोग्राम के संबंध में आप जो भी जानना चाहते हैं, मैं इस कोर्स की लीडर हूँ और यहाँ ही रहने वाली हूँ। आप कभी भी आइए और अपने बच्चों को आगे बढ़ने के लिए प्रेरित कीजिए। भारत स्काउट के साथ मिलकर के आप साहसिक बनिए। बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। थैंक यू वेरी मच।
मस्त खरसांग।